In the interconnected global economy, the smooth functioning of shipping ports is often taken for granted. Yet recent incidents, like the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, serve as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities inherent in our supply chain infrastructure. A shipping port shutdown, whether due to accidents, natural disasters, or other unforeseen events, can have far-reaching consequences that affect the daily lives of individuals and communities. So we'll look at what a shipping port shutdown entails, its ramifications for the average person, what they can expect, and how to cope with the resulting challenges. A shipping port shutdown disrupts the flow of goods, impacting the availability of essential supplies that individuals rely on for their daily needs. From groceries and medications to household goods and fuel, a wide range of commodities could become scarce or delayed in reaching their intended destinations. For the average person, this means potential shortages, longer wait times, and increased prices for essential items. Imagine going to the grocery store only to find empty shelves where once there was an abundance of goods. Such disruptions can lead to frustration, anxiety, and uncertainty about the future. The ramifications of a shipping port shutdown extend beyond mere inconvenience. Economic repercussions are inevitable as businesses struggle to maintain operations amid supply chain disruptions. Job losses, reduced hours, and financial strain may become a reality for individuals employed in industries reliant on timely shipments of goods. Moreover, the ripple effects of supply chain disruptions can reverberate throughout the economy, affecting sectors far beyond those directly linked to shipping and logistics. So what can the average person expect in the aftermath of a shipping port shutdown? First, they may encounter difficulties in accessing basic necessities, prompting the need for adaptation and resourcefulness. Shortages of certain items could necessitate changes in consumer behavior, like seeking alternative products or rationing supplies. Additionally, individuals may experience disruptions to their work or daily routines as businesses adjust operations in response to supply chain shortages. Longer shipping times and increased costs could also impact travel plans, online shopping habits, and leisure activities. Coping with the challenges posed by a shipping port shutdown requires proactive preparation and resilience. So here are some practical steps individuals can take to mitigate the impact. Stockpile essential supplies. Begin by building a reserve of essential items now, such as non-perishable foods, medication, hygiene products, and household necessities. Having a well-stocked pantry can provide a buffer during times of scarcity. Diversify your supply sources. Reduce reliance on single suppliers or retailers by diversifying your sources of goods. Explore local producers, farmers markets, and community-supported agricultural initiatives as alternatives to traditional supply chains. Learn self-sufficiency skills. Acquire skills that enhance self-sufficiency, like gardening, food preservation, basic first aid, and DIY repairs. Being able to produce or fix essential items independently can help lessen dependence on external supply chains. Develop contingency plans. Anticipate potential disruptions and develop contingency plans for various scenarios. Consider how you would adapt to prolonged shortages, transportation disruptions, or changes in economic conditions. Engage with your community. Foster connections with neighbors, local organizations, and community networks to share resources, information, and support. Collaborative efforts can strengthen resilience and enable communities to weather crises more effectively. Navigating supply chain crises such as shipping port shutdowns requires awareness, preparation, and adaptability. While the prospect of disruptions to supply chains may seem daunting, individuals can take proactive steps to mitigate the impact and cope with the resulting challenges. By stocking up on essentials, diversifying supply sources, acquiring self-sufficiency skills, developing contingency plans, and engaging with their communities, individuals can enhance their resilience in the face of this uncertainty. By empowering themselves with knowledge and preparedness, the average person can better navigate the turbulent waters of supply chain disruptions and emerge stronger on the other side. As always, let me know your thoughts about this supply chain disaster in the comments. And check out this video YouTube has chosen for you to watch based on your own viewing history.